On Friday, March 12th, at the Mayflower Hotel in Washington, D.C., the Economic Policy Institute held a forum on China and currency manipulation. ManufactureThis spoke with several of the panelists from the forum about the importance of this issue to the well-being of the U.S. economy. Here's what they had to say.
I think that today we're getting to a critical point in our economy that we truly need to recognize that manufacturing is important and to educate the American people and to Washington on, in fact, if we don't address currency manipulation and bad trade policy, we are going to get to a critical phase in this economy.
One of the things that China does is it cheats. It cheats on all kinds of inputs into manufacturing, but its most troubling subject of cheating is currency manipulation. Depending on which sector of which industry, the currency manipulation accounts for anywhere between 10 and 40% competitive disadvantage to American firms and advantage to China because it cheats by manipulating its currency. And if we don't do something about that, we're slowly coming to a tipping point where we may not be able to do it because America is losing its industrial base by China's currency manipulation and other mercantilist strategies. And if we don't do something about the first one, that currency manipulation, we're not going to be able to do anything about the second and third ones.
That the manipulation of the currency may give China as much as a 30% advantage, maybe as much as 40%. And that's an unsurmountable problem for these small manufacturers. Now, if you make the playing field equal again, these folks can compete. I'm very confident they can. They were our suppliers for many, many years. And what this has done is forced some of our suppliers to move their production to China. And that's a trend that I see continuing that alarms me.
Once in a lifetime opportunity to help rebuild U.S. manufacturing. We can create anywhere from 1.5 to 3 million jobs by getting the exchange rate right. Just that one step alone, it doesn't cost anything. And then I think we talk about, that sets the stage to talk about what else we can do to help rebuild manufacturing. And that's a separate discussion.